How's it going, gents? Here we are with the Ducati 959 Panigale Corse. This is their little spec'd up middleweight, the 959 special edition, I guess you could call it. One of the first ones in Australia. My mate Kiwi's just bought it. Upgraded from his 848, you might have seen it in previous videos. But yeah, this is basically a 959 with Öhlins suspension and I think a lithium battery, and I think that's about it. I know the Euro model comes factory with an Akrapovic system. This has just got the standard 959 exhaust on it, but it's got some juicy Öhlins suspension, and you know, 959 is a good bike, so add on some high spec suspension and I reckon it's going to be freaking pretty cool to ride. I think these rear sets are a little different as well. It might be a little bit higher. But yeah, we'll do some, take it for a quick spin. My mate's going to jump on my MT10 SP, try and keep up with me, and we'll go for a fang. Let's go for a fang, eh? What mode is he in? Game mode. Let's go. The old Öhlins suspension. It hasn't been I don't believe it's been tuned for road use. Quick shifter, smooth. So it's got an up down quick shifter. I believe the all the 959 coming with that now. Not a lot of torque down low. Panigales have always been quite a revvy bike. A lot of people were a bit disappointed with the Panigale when just because it didn't have a lot of torque to it and stuff like the old L twins used to have, but when you do rev it out, she really gets going, like the old 1199s. So I think I've only ridden the 899, I believe. See how she pulls in second. A little bit to wind up. Coming off the MT10, it's just the MT10 is just so freaking immediate power. But we're not going to compare it to that. It's obviously much, I would say, smaller capacity, but these middleweights are yeah, it's a 959cc, I'm guessing, so it's pretty close to a liter bike. Sound to it though, it doesn't really need much of a super exhaust. I think going left here. Doesn't have really any kind of updated dash or anything, it's still kind of the same. No, it feels good. The Panigales have always been very compact, quite comfortable actually, a lot like kind of a Daytona. Yeah, boy! Down quick shifter. Very difficult to get to work. Okay. Alright, the down quick shift is slightly different. It you actually need to be rolling off the throttle. If you're completely zero throttle, it doesn't work. That's different. That's nothing I've ever experienced before. Brakes are strong, good Brembos on it. Nice and smooth through here. There's got a lot of rocks and shit. Öhlins suspension's compliant, very firm. It is now obviously pretty much infinitely adjustable, the Öhlins suspension, so you could soften it up and working nice, man. Going into a got to kind of finesse the down quick shifter. Give it a bit of a honk in first, up through here. See if she'll pick up the front wheel on power. Wheelie control. Don't really know how to turn that off. Kind of got to have a bit of a think about when you're going to use the quick shifter down, because you have to be actually kind of rolling off the throttle. You can't be dead throttle like on a BMW. It's quite different. Oh, very nice though, very nice. I always like the 899, and this is like just a more nicer, prettier version of that. So if you haven't noticed, this has got the 1299 Superleggera red in matte white, matte red. It's got some carbon bits on it as well. Very pretty bike, very pretty. We'll stop and wait for my mate. He's going a little bit slower than me. Just wait for a mate. Good sound for the stock exhaust. Obviously didn't come with any Acro or anything on it, but she sounds good. Factory 959 Panigale Corse, Superleggera red, the 1299 version, not the 1199 version, which is more of a pink. This is just the matte Ducati red. Very nice. Very freaking compliant through the bends. Not understanding why people really think this is the best Panigale they made. Was the 959. Now being this one a little bit higher spec, freaking nice. Turn wheelie control, so I'm just not going to do any wheelies. Sorry guys. Freak that. Freaking quick shifter, man. The quick shifter failed. Let me try again. Alright gents, that's Kiwis. Wait for the plane. Wait for the plane. Alright gents, that's Kiwis new 959 Panigale Corse. Just a little quick smash on it. Didn't know how to turn off wheelie control, so next time we'll turn off wheelie control and we'll 12 o'clock it. I'm gonna go see what they're doing. I'll be back. Jump on the beast bike, the fast bike. Jesus, literally when I get back on the MT10 I'm just like, what you doing? You want to walk back up? I'll come back around. I'll come once on this and come back up. God, didn't think I'd actually really notice the electronic suspension on this. This has got electric Öhlins suspension, whereas that 959's just got standard Öhlins, and there is a bit of a difference. Go for it, Chevy bro. 1LE. Sounds nice. Had one of them in Texas. Flat